Hi guys. Now today I'm doing an interesting video. My toilet has been making a crazy amount of sound for months now, and I've not really bothered looking at it, and just recently I thought I need to fix this now. It's just crazy how much noise it makes, and you can hear it now if I flush it. How loud is that? And outside the toilet that just goes on and on until the tank's completely full. Now, I've been reading a number of articles and I've looked at some YouTube videos, and let me show you what I've discovered. So a lot of videos on YouTube, what they're saying, you've got to replace this whole part here. So you can see that's where the water comes in from the bottom, comes out, and they say you've got to replace all of this. I've discovered that's not true. This part here actually has something called a diaphragm in there. A diaphragm washer, I think they call it. And all it is a matter of isolating the water so we don't have it coming out. So my isolator's just down here. Get my screwdriver. Isolate off the water. Okay, that's off now. Flush it again. The noise won't come because obviously it's not filling up again. Okay, now the water's isolated, we just need to remove this. It's just a matter of twisting this area off. And the water actually comes out of there. And let me just show. The way it works, there's a bit of plastic that pushes in, and once it's pushed in, as the ball valve goes up, it stops the water coming out. Now what we need to do is just pull this area off. And just about put your nails in there and just slowly ease it off. Try to show it as clear as I can. There you go, pops off, and it's that thing there. So if I pull that off, and if I replace that now, just take out any water that's in there. Now I've got a spare one at the side, and it's just there. I'll include some links in the description of the video if you're after one of these. Very cheap. Couple of pounds for a pack of 5 or 6, and I had this from another fitting I kept for a while. It's finally come into use, and the notch is just over here, so I should just be able to push that on. There you go, clips into place. And if I tighten that back up again, and like I say, people were saying you need to replace the whole thing, all of this. And that's just additional effort, and I thought that just doesn't make sense. There you go, that's tightly on now. So now if we turn the water back on, so the isolated valve's here. There you go. No hammering, humming noise at all from there. Unbelievable. All it was that washer there, and I was going to replace all of this. Cost is an extreme amount, cost about I think £10 or £5 in between that, and a lot of hassle if you have to replace all that. Obviously you've got to loosen the pipe work, any issues, any joints you need, got to get them replaced. So let's test this out again. See if I press it, flush is working. Wait till it fills up. There you go, no noise at all. All you can hear is the water filling up. So there you go, I hope it's helped anyone having issues with their noisy toilet. I'll include links for the diaphragm thing in the description of the video. Hang around for the end cards, more DIY tips at the end. Might help you with other issues you have or things you're planning to do. Drop me a comment letting me know if this has worked for you. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.